Have you ever felt like life is just one giant whirlwind, tasks piling up, deadlines slipping by, and your dreams sitting in the back seat? You're not alone. Many struggle with feeling overwhelmed, like there's too much to do and not enough time to do it. But here's the thing. Getting organized can change everything. It's not just about color-coded planners or tidy spaces. It's about creating a foundation of success and unlocking your true potential. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of getting organized and how they can transform your life. Benefit number 1, clarity of mind. When your environment is cluttered, your mind feels cluttered too. Ever notice how hard it is to focus when your desk is piled high with papers or your inbox is overflowing with unread emails? Getting organized clears the noise. It helps you know exactly what needs to be done and conversely, what doesn't deserve your attention. Steven Covey once said, "The key is not in spending time, it's in investing it." When you organize your time and space, you're not just creating order, you are making an investment in your mental clarity. Imagine this. Instead of waking up to chaos, you wake up with a plan. You know your priorities, your tasks, and your goals. That mental clarity gives you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Clarity isn't just a nice to have, it's a secret weapon for creativity, problem solving, and decision making. Benefit 2, reduce stress and anxiety. Stress and overwhelm often come from not knowing where to start. When you're disorganized, even small tasks can feel like monumental changes. Reason being, they are buried under a mountain of stuff. Getting organized reduces that stress. It gives you control over your time, over your task, and ultimately over your environment. Marie Kondo once said, "The objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel happiness living within that environment." This principle applies to organization as well. Think about this. When your schedule is organized, you can set realistic expectations for yourself. You're no longer rushing to go everywhere. You're not rushing to meet deadlines. You're not forgetting commitments. And that alone can reduce a huge amount of anxiety. You also sleep better when you know that you're on top of things. And let's be honest, when you sleep well, you show up as your best self. That's a win in every area of your life. Benefit 3, increase productivity. Getting organized is like sharpening a tool before you start a project. When everything is in its place, whether that's your files, your to-do list, or even your thoughts, you can work faster and more efficiently. You're no longer wasting time searching for things or figuring out what to do next. Instead, you're taking action and seeing results. I once heard someone say, for every minute spent in organizing, an hour is earned. This isn't just about saving time, it's about using your time intentionally. For example, have you ever started your day with a clear plan versus starting your day just winging it? If you have, you know the difference. That plan can be as simple as writing down 3 things you need to accomplish. Those small steps create momentum, and momentum leads to more progress. The more productive you feel, the more confident and motivated you become. Productivity isn't about doing more, it's ultimately about doing what matters most. Benefit 4, greater focus on your goals. When you're organized, you're able to see the bigger picture. You can align your daily action with your long-term goals. Disorganization often distracts you from your purpose because you're too busy putting out fires. But when you get organized, you can channel your energy towards something meaningful. Picture this. You have a goal to write a book. If you're constantly caught up in the day-to-day chaos, that dream might just stay just that, a dream. But with an organized schedule and clear priorities, you carve out time for what's truly important to you. As Tony Robbins says, where focus goes, energy flows. When you're organized, your focus naturally shifts to what matters the most. Getting organized isn't just about managing your present, but it's really about building your future. Benefit 5 is sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like the feeling of checking something off of your checklist. Every time you complete a task, no matter how small, you reinforce your belief in yourself. Organization fuels that sense of accomplishment overall. It reminds you that you're capable of taking charge of your life, all the while moving closer to your goals. And here's the best part. When you feel good about what you've achieved, you're more likely to tackle the next challenge with confidence. It's a cycle of positivity and growth. By getting organized, you're not just managing your time. You're building a foundation of self-trust and resilience. Organization is the engine that powers small, consistent efforts. Getting organized isn't about being perfect or having it all together every day of your lives. None of us do. However, it's about creating a system that works for you, one that helps you find clarity, reduce stress, and boost productivity. It's about designing a life where you're in the driver's seat, not reacting to everything around you, but intentionally choosing where you want to go. So here's my challenge for you. Take one small step towards getting organized today. Maybe it's cleaning your workspace or creating a list of to-dos for tomorrow. Maybe it's taking 10 minutes and planning out your entire week. Whatever it is, start small and stay consistent. Because when you get organized, you don't just change your day, you eventually change your life. Let me know what step you're going to take in the comments below. Always remember that growth is a journey, it's not a destination. I'm in it with you, and I'll see you on the next one.